Alright, language explorers. Now, this is an interesting Friday idiom. So, lone wolf. Lone wolf. Someone living or working by themselves. Himself. Yeah. Only one. Lone wolf. We is a lone, or he is a lone wolf in his business. He is a lone wolf. Sometimes men have to be a lone wolf while they build their business. Yeah. Sometimes they have to be. Yeah. By learning how to be a lone wolf, you're becoming mentally stronger and smarter. Yes, definitely. How cool is that? Yeah. Being a lone wolf can be challenging at times. Whoa. Yes. So, being a lone wolf can be lonely at times, but you can push through it and be stronger. Yes. How cool is that? Yeah. Yeah. How cool is that? You have to be mentally strong to be a lone wolf. Yeah. Not everyone can handle being a lone wolf for too long. They need to be with other people. Yes. They can't handle being a lone wolf. Some people can, some people can't. It depends how mentally strong you are. Yeah. See, I have been a lone wolf for years. Whoa. Maybe 12 years. Maybe 12 years. Yeah. I don't know. It's the way it is. I am not sure why, but that is just the way it is. Yeah. Yeah. Anyway, yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? So, lone wolf, yeah. Now, can you use lone wolf in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook, Telegram, and Udemy. When you search for English with Adrian or Adrian Nanchev. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.